Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to Quick Crafts. So today we are going to learn how to make this card. So this is using the Simon Hurley's stamping blocks, which come in a pack of 4. And all we need to do is actually heat the block and then we take an impression off the stencil. You can do it on other things as well, but today we're going to concentrate on the stencil pattern. Taking our heat gun, now as I say, you need to act quite quick just to get that pattern on while it's warm, and that's when it forms the shape. Hopefully, there it is. Isn't that great? Is ink up the block. We've got our pine and we've got dark denim. So, taking our block, we're going to pop that down. And then we're going to take the dark denim. We're going to go along the edge, just to give it a little bit of depth along the edge. We're using that darker colour. Now if you haven't got these colours, don't worry, you can use whichever colour you fancy. So now taking our card, I'm going to line that up the best I can and pop it down. If it's not central, don't worry, we can always just use the guillotine and just chop it down.
So give that a good press.
And let's see what we've got. Yay! Isn't that great? It's brought out all that lovely detail. I am going to just trim that down to make it a little bit straighter. And now taking our Posca pen, this is our red Posca pen, which is a glitter one. I think it's quite a sort of pinky red, more like a raspberry red. And then I'm going to use a straight piece of card and draw some lines around the edge. This is just going to frame it. And now we've got our stickles, this is cranberry, onto those dots. I think it's quite a nice colour combination. And let's do a few here. So I've created a background using some of the gilding polishes by Cosmic Shimmer. This one is Rich Red. So all I've done is gone around the edge of the card. We don't need to go over the whole card because we're popping that in the middle. So just frame that up and then crop it down if you want. But there we go. There we have it. I think that's a really nice, quick, easy card to create. Something a little bit different. Thanks so much for joining me again today, guys. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. You take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.